When many of us think about training and development, we think about the learning event. We think about a classroom or an online training setting. What many people don't realize is that the learning event is just one component of a much bigger system. This particular model does a good job of highlighting that because it isn't until we get to the sixth step of seven that we even begin to talk about the actual training, the actual learning event. In the sixth step, we begin to design the content, choose the methods that we're going to use, maybe a combination of both traditional and technology-based training methods. We create learning objectives for the training session. We prepare the learning environment. We design training materials. We train the trainers. We invite the trainees, and so on. And finally, after all of that, we deliver the training.